The best Italian herbs and spices to add flavor to your food. Introduction to Italian herbs and spices. There is nothing quite like the flavor of Italian herbs and spices. From Trapani Sicilian sea salt to premium Italian salts and seasonings, there are endless possibilities when creating dishes that burst with flavor. Whether you are looking for a way to jazz up an old favorite or trying out a new recipe, adding some Italian herbs and spices is sure to make your meal unforgettable. One of the great things about using Italian herbs and spices is that they can be used in many different ways. A pinch of basil added to pasta sauce can give it a fresh, herby taste, while rosemary roasted potatoes make a delicious side dish. Why not make your own custom spice blend if you want something extra special? This could include garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and red pepper flakes, perfect for adding depth of flavor to all kinds of dishes. No matter what cuisine you're cooking, Italian herbs and spices are bound to add a touch of class and sophistication to any mealtime preparation. Herbs and spices used in Italian cuisine. Italian cuisine is famous for its mouth-watering dishes like pasta, pizza, and gelato. But what makes these dishes so special? Flavors that are unique to the Italian region, of course. One of the secrets to achieving those iconic flavors is herbs and spices. While many different varieties of herbs and spices are used in Italian cooking, some stand out more than others. Here are a few of our favorites. Trapani Sicilian sea salt. This premium salt is handcrafted on the island of Sicily using traditional methods. It's known for its delicate flavor and floral aroma, making it perfect for seasoning pasta, pizza, or any other dish to which you want to add a touch of Italy. Saffron. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world due to its rare value, but it's worth every penny. This exotic spice has a distinct taste and aroma that can transform even humble ingredients into something spectacularly delicious. Try adding a pinch or two while cooking risotto or tagliatelle al ragù for an authentic Italian experience. Parsley. This fragrant herb is often used as a garnish in Italy and elsewhere, but doesn't forget its other uses. Parsley is a flavorful addition to soups, sauces, stews, and many other dishes. The best way to use them in your cooking. There's nothing quite like the flavor of Italian herbs and spices in your food. From the pungent aroma of oregano to the slightly sweet taste of basil, these flavors are essential for adding a passionate Mediterranean flair to your cooking. However, using them correctly can be a bit tricky. Here are some tips on how to get started. Basil is great added fresh to tomato sauces or pestos, or used dried in dishes such as lasagna or spaghetti bolognese. Oregano pairs well with red meats and poultry and makes a delicious addition to ratatouille or pizza sauce. Thyme goes well with root vegetables like carrots and potatoes, but can also be used in stuffings, soups, and casseroles. Parsley is perfect for elegant garnishes atop finished dishes. Try it chopped finely over risotto Milanese or stirred through freshly cooked pasta carbonara. When it comes time to choosing quality Italian salts and seasonings, there's simply no comparison. The intense flavor profile of an authentic Florentine salt blend will take your food up a notch, whether you're making simple home-cooked meals or preparing something more sophisticated for guests. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.